The Riot blockchain, Incorporated stock holds an SI14 at 78 and is currently being overbought on RSI. This does not have to be a sell signal, as many stocks may go both long and hard while being overbought on the RSI. It is therefore important to evaluate the history of the share, as it may tell you something about the RSI sensitiveness. High volatility in Riot blockchain, Incorporated stock price on Friday, which ended trading at $10, updated on December 14, 2020, buy or hold candidate since the 11th of November 2020 gain 177.78% PDF. The Riot blockchain, Incorporated stock price gained 3.52% on the last trading day, Friday, 4th of December 2020, rising from $9.66 to $10, and has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day the stock fluctuated 16.25% from a day low at $9.11 to a day high of $10.59. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 66.67% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 3 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 31 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $313.78 million. The stock has broken the very wide and strong rising the short-term trend up, and an even stronger rate of rising is indicated. For any reaction back, there will now be support on the roof on the current trend broken at $6.69, a level that may pose a second chance to hit a runner. According to fan theory, $8.18 will be the next possible trend top level and thereby pose a resistance level that may not be broken at the first attempt. Signals and forecast: mostly positive signals in the chart today. The Riot blockchain, Incorporated stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $8.39 and $5.04. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, October 30, 2020, and so far it has risen 205.81%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3 months moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Support, risk and stop loss: Riot blockchain, Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $9.66, and this level may hold a buying opportunity, as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. $9.66, $10. This stock may move very much during a day. Volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $1.48 between high and low, or 16.25%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 16.86%. The Riot blockchain, Incorporated stock is extremely overbought on SI14, 78. Normally this may pose a good selling opportunity, but since the stock has broken the trend up, the chance for a major correction due to high RSI is very small, as the stock will find support at the trend broken. Our recommended stop loss, $9.66, minus 3.44%. This stock has very high daily movements, and this gives very high risk. The SI14 is 78, and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 24 days ago. Is Riot blockchain, Incorporated stock a buy? Several short-term signals are positive, and the stock has broke the rising trend up, which indicates an even stronger rate of rising. we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for RIOT Blockchain Incorporated stock to perform well in the short-term period. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold accumulate to a strong buy candidate. Current score 8.088. Predicted opening price for RIOT Blockchain Incorporated of Monday, December 7, 2020. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price December 7, 2020. Current price $9.90 $10.00. Overvalued. Strong buy candidate. Upgraded analyst ratings. H.C. Wainwright is very positive to RIOT and gave it a buy rating on November 23, 2020. The price target was set to $3.50, $7.50. Over the last 30 days, this security got 2 buy, 0 sell and 0 hold ratings. RIOT Blockchain Incorporated engages in the provision of investment services to the blockchain ecosystem as well as manufacturing in vitro substances. Its portfolio includes Verity, CoinSquare, and TestPay. The company was founded on July 24, 2000 and is headquartered in Castle Rock, CO. The listed name for RIOT is RIOT Blockchain Incorporated Common Stock. Summary: RIOT Blockchain Incorporated, formerly Biotics Incorporated, is focused on gaining exposure to the blockchain ecosystem through its cryptocurrency mining operations, internally developed businesses, joint ventures, and targeted investments in the sector. The company primarily focuses on Bitcoin and general blockchain technology. The company has deployed approximately 8,000 application-specific integrated circuit (ASIC) miners at its cryptocurrency mining facility in Oklahoma. The company, through its subsidiary TES Incorporated, seeks to develop a blockchain-based escrow service for wholesale telecom carriers. It holds a 13% interest in CoinSquare Limited, which is a digital currency exchange in Canada. It also holds investments in Verity, LLC, which provides cryptocurrency accounting and audit technology services.